Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. You have seen that the most of the website has a username validation, right? That use this username is already taken and that one. So usually taken that will come from the database that this username is already exist, and somehow they were suggesting like you can use this one username, that username because that not exist in the DB. So here I'm just adding a simple username validation using the JavaScript and the HTML. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that this I'm adding validate invalid username, use 14 to 15 character letter digits and underscore. If I go with Rajnikant underscore 90, is it valid? It's a valid username. Okay, so let's check the code. So here you can see that what we have add the validate username, so getting the value, and regex. So this is the regex that I'm using, that is allows 4 to 15 characters with A to Z caps, and the capital letters auto, capital letters, then digits and underscore includes. So this is how, if the valid username come like this, if the it is invalid, that means you have to use 4 to 15 characters including letters, digits and the underscore, that it will say that it's a valid username, right? So this is how you can validate the username. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.